Tenses. Present continuous tense. Subject plus am is are plus verb ing. I am eating. They are playing. We are going. She is watching. The sun is shining. I am preparing my dinner. I am having my breakfast. I am still waiting for a bus. I am looking for my lost key. I am thinking about my uncertain future. He is sharing his knowledge with others. She is trying her best to concentrate her mind. We are having a nice time in Nuwara Eliya these days. Some students are working hard for the exam nowadays. They are looking at a picture of a waterfall. My friends are decorating the main hall for the function. You are wearing a beautiful sari today. Kamal is not doing his duty on time. It is raining outside, so we can't go out. She is still thinking of you. Thank you.